y'all.
Hey all, Mandy here again. It's Motivational Monday, Motivational Monday, Motivational Monday, Motivational Monday. This week, since it's July 4th on Friday, we want you all to get outside and enjoy nature. Yeah, enjoy nature. Do something fun, people. It's beautiful, it's summer, enjoy the sun, enjoy the water, and get outside for July 4th. Yeah! We're full on into summer now. Full on into summer. And this July 4th, we're going to take our bikes out. We're super lucky to live about 4 miles or so from the beach. We're going to take our bikes out and go on a nice biking adventure and spend all day outside and lounge on the beach and have fun and enjoy nature on this Motivational Monday. Get out, enjoy nature. If you like to bike like I do, take your bike out. If you like to play tennis, go play tennis. If you just want to barbecue, enjoy being outside in a park or by your pool, do it. That's what Motivational Mondays all about. Starting your week off strong. Yeah, people, yeah. And tune back in for more from the world of